Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and to the series on the Bandhavgarh National Park. In this video, we are visiting the Tala zone in the morning. So this is my first visit to the zone as well. And in the afternoon, we continue our safari in the Magadhi zone. So sit back, relax, enjoy the safaris and also have fun like how all of us had in this tour. Before we dive into today's video, I have a special request for each and every one of you. If you enjoy the content you are about to watch, I would be incredibly grateful if you could show your support by subscribing to my channel. So do hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below and share it with anyone who might enjoy it. Thank you all once again. After driving through the Tala zone, we reached this lake. Look at the color of this lake carefully. After some time, when the sun goes up, I'll show you one more footage of this lake and then you can compare how it looks like. It's incredible. So do watch out for it.
आई तो है रे, आई तो है। कहाँ खाएगा? तेन कलाने पंजा तो फ्रेश है। हाँ? पहुँच तो आई है। पता नहीं सब आए कि अकेले आई। हाँ? यहाँ नहीं निकली, यहाँ तक पंजान से देखने को ऊपर करने को। हाँ? यहाँ चीतल बोलत रहे हैं 15। हाँ तो फैन खिलाने यार, यहाँ तक तो पंजा है। एम से घुसे तो एम पूरा छाता है तो ऐसा घुसे एंटे घुसे हो ना। हाँ तो हाथ हो वो अंदर फटे अंदर है फोन रखे है। हाँ हाँ
our way back, we again visited the lake which I was telling earlier. So now have a look at the colors. The algae has turned this lake into orangish red. Incredible it is.
Nice thing. Perhaps you may not have seen me. Please don't be disappointed. I have seen you.
This makes perfect sense, man. This is how it should be.
This is so correct. Our first safari in the Tala zone, we didn't find any big cats, but overall, very beautiful zone. I'm sure that our luck will change. But again, this is the beauty of going on a wildlife safari. Everything is so unpredictable, and nature will only show itself if it wants to. So, now off to the afternoon safari. Soon we were on our way to the Magadhi safari zone, and incredibly, from the main road, we got to see our next tiger.
He hails from a little town in India called somewhere in Andhra Pradesh. He's a great cook. Look at him thinking conservation of wildlife. If I could have the center stage moved on to Raghav, take it on. Thank you. Please tell us a few words about saving India's tigers.
Hope you have multiple headache tablets. I was a headache.
This is priceless, dude. This is absolutely priceless.
Another wonderful day in Bandhavgarh National Park. We got 2 more tigers, but it was getting late in the evening and we had to exit the park. So ending this video here. If you like the content, please do subscribe, like, share, and also comment your feedback. So stay tuned for the 4th and the final episode of the Bandhavgarh series.